I'm Uday Awasthi. I'm from Sunbelt Rentals and I head the ERP solutions worldwide for Sunbelt Rentals. Sunbelt Rentals is the world's second largest equipment rental company, all the way from heavy earth moving equipment to movie rentals. We have studios that we basically cater to big movie production houses, and we rent out all the way from movie zoom lenses that are like close to $1 million, just the lens, and the entire solution package. We basically are operational in all of North America, US and Canada, and in Europe, based out of UK, London, France, Germany, and Scotland. So, as you rightly said, I mean, it's a very asset-dependent industry, and typically, if you plan, for example, if you are building a highway, it's a multi-year mega $1 million project. It's easier for the construction house to basically outsource the equipment rental part and not worry about the availability and the performance of the equipment. So what we are doing in IT, using IT solutions, is we are trying to integrate with the overall plan, and so that we can slot in the equipment availability based on when it is needed, what type is needed, and how long it is needed. So we're not like a car rental where we're expecting a customer to show up and pick a car. We basically work with our customers. 80% of our footprint is B2B. So on a $30 billion market cap, that's the biggest chunk we have. We integrate with their plans. We plan a solution. They are confident about the equipment being available, and all this is done using demand planning, in the ERP solutions that we have. So what we realized was, first of all, rental space is something that most ERP solution providers choose by design not to focus primarily on. In larger scheme of things, it's a small chunk of the overall global business that the rental industry does, particularly in the equipment rental space. So the customer experience has been very traditional. We are building solutions that are more mobile compatible now, because one thing we learned from the pandemic is that the customer's mindset has changed. If you do not have the capability available on the mobile devices, they are going to go to a competitor who offers that. So we are focusing heavily on that. The second biggest piece is availability of the equipment on time, because you cannot just wait on a JCB not being available with the construction crew being on site. That's our primary KPI. We measure ourselves on a 99.9% equipment availability on time or before time. To make that happen, we will even go and rent out with our competitors in case we don't have the asset available, or go and procure a new one. But customer first is our motto, and now we are using all the solutions. So coming back to the customer experience, we are taking the pain away of logging into a website. We just launched an e-com platform which is available on the mobile. The customer with a few clicks can order the equipment, know the availability, where it is available, is it going to be available on job site or not. We ensure all that. So we offer a complete solution, as I previously mentioned. Customer experience is one thing. When you are working with large customers, as I said, 80% is B2B, you build a partnership. And the trust that you create basically sustains, the business availability for future. So using technology, we are even able to integrate on plans that they have not for next year, but for the next 36 months. And we work with our OEM partners to ensure that we have the right equipment available in anticipation of a project that will start 15, 18 months from now. So we are integrating ourselves with our suppliers. We are eco-friendly. We want to be an eco-friendly company as well. So we are replacing our fleet with electric, vehicles. And in 3 years, we want to go carbon neutral for 80% of our fleet. So we are decoupling our entire ERP solution. Right now, it is a wing-to-wing solution on a legacy platform. Now we are decoupling it, and for example, on the dispatching side of the house, which is a very big function we have, we are using SaaS-based ERP solution like Blue Yonder. We are exploring solutions there. On the customer-facing side, we are exploring the capabilities that a CRM platform like Salesforce brings in, so that we take the pain away from being tied to a laptop pretty much, not just for our external customers, but also for our internal customers. The people who basically are interacting with the customers to plan a contract and make the whole deal go through.